Hi, my name is Seun Digital. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, I just want to say thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking on this video to know what this channel is all about. This channel, I provide you information on how to make money online and tools that can help you to grow your business online. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you something very good. You're going to be making money with this trick that I'm going to show you. Now, how do you feel if you're making tons of money just... Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun. If you are new on this channel, what I do on this channel is I give information, I provide information that will bring money, information that will fetch you money, information that will make you money. It's all about making money online. That's what I give on this channel. Now, we're having a business training, which is 7 online businesses that will bring weekly income. I know everybody wants money, so I'm going to be showing you 7 businesses that does not really need your effort, that does not really need you to show. It's an online businesses that are going to fetch you money. So if you are interested to join this training, you know what, I'll be dropping the link in the description box of this video. You want to click the link and join the training. So with that being said, now how do you feel when you are you're in your relaxation mode and money is coming into your bank account? How do you feel about it? And you are relaxing and money is coming in. How do you feel? Now, these are the things you're going to be learning in the course of this training. Now, I'm going to be showing you automated money making website, how to set up a website that will be making money for life. You don't need to do anything. Just set it up once and you're making money for life. And secondly, surest affiliate that works. A lot of affiliates are out there that you just do it, no money is coming in. But I'm going to show you the surest one, those ones that will bring money to your table. That's what I'm going to be showing you in the course of this training. And third one is app that's guaranteed. There are apps that will be bringing money to you in Naira and in dollars, in pounds, in Ghana CD. There are apps that will be bringing money to you. If you want to know, you want to opt into this training, now click on the link in the description box of this video. Then the 5th one is FIVERR money. FIVERR money. I'm going to be showing you how to make money on FIVERR, even when you have no skill. You don't have skill at all and you want to make money on FIVERR. I'm going to be showing you skill you can do on FIVERR and how you can fast way to make money, how easy it is. I'm going to be showing you that. Then the 6th one, ADVERT money. You want to know how to advertise for people, you want to make money from advertisements. I'm going to be showing you all of those things. Now the 7th one is importation. I'm going to be showing you how to import goods from China and you're going to be selling them right away. You have orders before your goods arrive. I'm going to be showing you all of these things. Now this class is strictly practical, no story, no story. I'm going to go straight to practical. Now I have a bonus for you. If you can only bring one friend, you get a bonus from me. Just let me know you are the one that bring this person and you will get a bonus. Now click the link in the description section of this video and you will meet in the class. Thank you so much. See you in the class.